homecoming tonight at the airport for returning airmen from Tinker Air Force Base. It was a homecoming, though, with an interesting twist. Steve Shaw's live at Will Rogers World Airport with this incredible story. Steve?
Kelly and Amanda, 23-year-old Justin Martinez tonight finally made it home after a 7-month deployment somewhere in Central Asia. The best way to put this, folks, is Justin had a big surprise tonight for a fellow graduate from Putnam City High School that probably won't forget this for the rest of her life. This was Justin Martinez 7 months ago when he said goodbye to his son Ryder, who just turned 1.
Who is that?
Thursday night, after several weather delays overseas, Martinez finally got to see Ryder and the rest of his family again. Ryder's mother, Ashton Towery, was also here. Ashton was a year ahead of Justin at Putnam City High. Their relationship went to another level when Ryder was born, and you're about to watch it go to the highest level.
What the hell is going on?
Ashton, you're my best friend. And we've gone through hell and back together. And I've missed you for 6 months. I really would like to make this complete, to make this official.
That's right, folks. Don't you love it when a beautiful plan comes together?
He was actually really irritating me today because he was delaying and getting mad, and I was getting mad, and so I was really irritated today, and I had no idea.
Well, then you should get married.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh, I just can't even. I'm just so glad he's home. I just want to hug him.
We definitely had our ups and downs.
But they stuck it out, and the next time Justin Martinez is deployed, he and Ashton will be man and wife.
It definitely will, because it's more than just me now. It's about the family.
Justin Martinez is a member of the security forces out at Tinker Air Base. He's 3 years into a 6-year commitment, and I have to believe the next 3 years are going to be just a little bit better than the first 3 because he's going to be married. Live at the airport, Steve Shaw, News 9.